just heard a lecture on systemic racism from a barista with a man-bun. Pitifully obtuse. Yo, boys, it's Papa for the boys, your six-string slayer of bull. Scraping by with a beat-up guitar and a gut full of gimme a freakin break. Today we're shredding the woke illusions of racial justice and police reform. Pure smoke and mirrors, boys. The real deal, if there's any racism problem in America, it's POCs aiming square at white men. And don't get me started on the Me Too clown show. Stay proud, stay sharp, and keep being the best damn men you can be. Let's riff. Let's cut to the chase. This racial justice nonsense is a house of cards in a windstorm. The woke crowd's out there screaming that America's a racist hellscape built to keep everyone but white folks down. They point to stats like their gospel, say black Americans making up 13% of the population, but 38% of the prison inmates. Sounds bad, right? Until you dig deeper and see the crime rates, not skin, drive those numbers. Black on black crime in cities like Chicago, where hundreds die yearly, per police reports, ain't caused by systemic racism. It's poverty, broken families, dads not being dads, and bad choices, same as anywhere. But no, the woke prophets want to blame white supremacy like it's hiding under every pickup truck. Meanwhile, who's getting screwed? White men. Passed over for jobs, scholarships, you name it. 'Cause diversity quotas mean your skills don't matter if your skin's too pale. Speaking from personal experience here, former lawyer, intelligence officer, prosecutor, professor, but can't get even a nod from a major university these days because I don't check the right boxes. And I won't check those boxes just to submit. That's the real bias, brothers. It's got a target on your back. Then there's police reform, another woke fever dream. They'll cry about cops being trigger-happy racist, pointing to incidents like they're proof of genocide. But let's get real. In 2023, about 1,000 people were killed by the police in the United States. Half of them were not black. Sounds heavy until you see that most of the people killed were armed, resistant, or both. Context matters. Black folks are overrepresented, sure, but so are men, because men commit more violent crimes. Cops ain't hunting people for their skin. They're dealing with split-second calls in messy situations. The woke knee-jerk fix? Defund the police. Train them to hug it out, or replace them with social workers. Brilliant. Nothing says stop crime like sending a therapist to a gang shootout. Meanwhile, white guys like you get painted as the problem just for existing. Like your masculinity is a crime scene waiting to happen. It's dumber than a screen door on a submarine. And, let's not forget the Me Too movement. The cherry on this clown cake started out fine. Call out creeps, sure. But it morphed into a witch hunt where every guy is a predator until proven innocent. A bad date, harassment, a compliment, microaggression. Suddenly, you're one awkward handshake away from a Twitter mob and a pink slip. They had us thinking every man's a monster, and if you're a white dude, double strike. Your privilege makes you guilty by default. It's like they forgot men and women gotta work together, not play courtroom over a sideways glance. The whole thing's so absurd it's like a rom-com directed by an HR manual. Laugh it off, boys, but don't let it shrink you. Now you, my young kings, listen up. You're men. You're built to create, to think, to lead, and you don't dare apologize for it. The world's trying to guilt you into thinking your strength, your drive, your damn DNA is a problem. Screw that. Be critical thinkers. Question every sermon. Dig into the numbers. See through the smoke. Be creative. Build businesses. Write songs. Fix what's broken. Invent new stuff. Be masculine. Stand tall. Protect what's yours. Love fiercely. And fight for what's truly right. The racial justice and political reform myths are just chains to hold you back, make you feel small. Break 'em. The Me Too madness? Dodge it like a bad gig. You're not the villain, you're the hero of your own story. And the world needs you to own it. The woke crowd's out here selling illusions. Racism's everywhere. Cops are the devil, men are the enemy. But the truth? Nature doesn't care about their feelings. Crime's crime. Strength's strength. And you're built to rise above the noise. If there's bias, it's against you, young bucks. Men catching flack for just showing up. So show up anyway. Be the best. Work harder. Think sharper. Live prouder. The Christian folks are right about this one too. Don't let lies dim your shine. You're men, not monsters. Own it. Build it. Live it. Here's my riff for you boys. Stay proud. Your mind, your muscle, your fire. The racial justice and police reform scams are just noise to drown out your strength. The Me Too's a bad joke. Laugh it off, keep moving. Be the best damn men you can be, and let the world deal with it. Nature's got your back. You got this. That's the riff for today, young knights. Keep thinking, keep creating, keep being men. This is Papa for the boys, back to being real. Stay sharp, stay proud.